Gorgeous hair with time to spare. Introducing faster with Revlon.
Dry Bar would not be Dry Bar without Buttercup. She's our secret weapon and the ultimate blow-drying tool. Engineered from scratch, Buttercup was specifically designed to meet the rigorous demands of blow-drying over 1 million clients a year. She's super lightweight to help prevent arm fatigue, but she's powerful enough to speed through blowout after blowout all day long. In fact, Buttercup dries 20% faster than most professional dryers. And she weighs only 1 pound, 1 ounce. But she doesn't just dry, she conditions. Buttercup uses ionic technology, which conducts millions of negative ions per second to help seal the cuticle, remove frizz, and add shine. Buttercup has 3 temperature settings, 2 speed settings, and a cool shot button to lock in your style. And since she doesn't dry your hair out, you're left with a softer, bouncier blowout. Do you want to create a perfect Dry Bar blowout at home? Buttercup's your guy.
Healthy hair begins inside the tool, where professional-grade materials like tourmaline ceramic infuse negative ions into the hair, producing high-caliber, high-shine results. When compared to inexpensive, bargain dryers, the FHI brand's dryer is a powerhouse. As the air is pulled through the high-efficiency motor, the coils and tourmaline ceramic mix with the air, steadily warming and charging it with negative ions that condition and protect the hair. Traditional heat overpowers and boils the moisture out of the hair, leaving dry, damaged cuticles. The tourmaline ceramic heat of an FHI brand's dryer breaks down water molecules into smaller particles to penetrate, allowing the hair to maintain essential moisture.